Well, welcome back, guys. It is a sad day at the Reich because this is my final turn. Man, my final turn. I wish we decided to play 10 rounds. There's so much more I want to do, but I can't. So, we're not. So, as you recall, this is the Bloodbath rules. We are playing to 12 points. Currently, we have 10. Germany's purchase, we had 76 IPCs. For 30 IPCs, we're getting 3 tanks, 4 infantry. For another 30 IPCs, we're getting 3 more tanks, 4 more infantry. And for the remaining 16, we are getting 4 artillery. No, we do not need this stuff, really, except for the few tanks I'm going to put on Normandy. But the rest is just to, so the game board looks cool after my turn. And as you recall, all these Russia pieces over here are actually America. Like, I didn't bring my America pieces to the shop. And speaking of being at the shop, man, my stuff is getting dirty. Man, all my stuff's getting dirty. I'm going to have to clean all these goddamn pieces. Okay, enough of that. So it looks like I only have, sorry, fix my sleeve. 1, 2, 3, 4 attacks. 2 of which are this one right here, blitzing through. 1 attack, 2 attack. So what did that do for us? That brings us to the Horn of Africa, bringing us down to 11 out of 12 points. Hitting Iraq. Iraq's going with this transport and my artillery from Egypt. 1, 2, 3 into C Zone 80. And who's also going to accompany him is my heavy bomber from Western Germany, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was it 5 or was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yep, and he came from the air base, so he has a remainder of 2. So that's 1, 2, 3 attack. Other attack was C-Zone 104. 2 surprise submarines going to attack, coming in from 119. Also going to accompany them is 1 tactical, 2 tactical, 3 tactical, 4, and 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fighters, 4 little, 5 little fighters. Okay, and all of those came from air bases, so all of those have a remainder of 3. And I think that's it. That's it for combats anyway. So let's start with Iraq. I have the heavy bomber at 2 dice and a artillery. So that's 1, 2, 3 dice. 2 hits. He has a hit back and a hit. So that bomber, we do not have to worry about where he's going to land because he did not make it. But that's okay because we have Iraq. And the next battle was C-Zone 104. I got 2 surprise attacks. Bam, bam. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4 for combined arms. Total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 dice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 dice. 11 dice. What's going to happen? Holy shit. Nothing much. 1, 2, 3 hits. 3 hits. And he has 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 hits. Not good. Not good. Not good. 2 hits. 2 hits. So that takes care of my subs for sure. He had 3 hits on him. Not sure what his plans are. Naturally, the cruiser would go. Naturally, this is going to be a hit. I don't know if he would damage the carrier or not. I'm just going to give him the benefit of the doubt because I think this next dice roll is going to clear him out. So we'll just give him the benefit of the doubt. Now, if I knew for a fact, I would leave. But I don't know for a fact. You know what? Crap, should I call him? Because the whole point is to just get rid of that aircraft carrier. And I would leave you know, I think I have to take out that battleship, because if he did do this scenario, I would just leaving that plane to crash into the water and leaving that carrier useless. If he took both hits on the carrier, I would still leave, and the plane would crash, and he had a full battleship. The only way this scenario works out where I don't leave and that plane gets auto-killed is for me to take the other hit on the battleship instead of the carrier. That's the only way this scenario works out, where I don't leave and that plane and carrier get ditched. So I guess I don't need to call him, because that's the only thing we can do. So that puts us back now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4 and 5 at 3, and he has a 2 and a 4. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. Now he hits me back. 0. So we are done there. And if Corporal, if you disagree with what I did, you know, I can. I guess you can go ahead and re-roll it the way you want to re-roll it, but I would have left you with a damaged carrier, so your plane would sink if you know, crashed the plane. You know, but either way, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. But like I said, if you don't like that, let me know, and I'll be happy to reassess it. But I think we're good. That was the only way where you kept the carrier as long as possible and you kept your fighter as long as possible. Okay, so now all of my non-combats. What's going to put this right there. I'm going to put this right there. This we're going to cargo drop to here. And I'm going to put a guy here. Alright, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do 1, 2. Let's do another 1, 2. Let's do another 1. And then all these planes I have. So I got 1, 2, 3. Let's start with that one. I have 3 spaces left. So 1, 2, 3. Let's put these 2 fighters here in Morocco. Let's put these 2 tactical over here in Norway. Let me see here. Let's put, and that's this one. Let's put another tactical there. Let me see here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 units. And 2, 4, 6, 8 units. 10. I got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You'd come in with 10. That one. I think we're okay. Let's put this tactical. I guess I should take this fighter, put that tactical, and put this fighter over here in Norway. I think that looks good. So we're going to spawn 3 tanks in Normandy. I'm going to spawn 3 tanks in Egypt because I can. I'm going to spawn 3 guys in Romania. I'm going to spawn 3 artillery in Romania. I'm going to spawn 3 guys in Berlin. I'm going to spawn 2 more guys in Berlin. And we'll spawn an artillery in Berlin. And just let me double check. Russia's my only problem. Russia's next, so Russia can't do anything. I think we're good. I think we're good. Sorry, just quiet. I gotta think. Because it is my last turn. It is my last opportunity to blunder. There's no reason for me to count IPCs or anything because I'm not going to collect any money because I do not get another turn, so all that is pointless. Just got to make sure not going to lose Warsaw, right? It looks like I'm not going to lose Warsaw. Not going to lose Egypt. Not going to lose any of this crap. Not going to lose London. I don't think I'm going to lose anything. No way to lose the Horn. No way to lose the Med. No way to lose Rome. I think we are good. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this this series, and also there's going to be some new things coming for the Bloodbath rules. A couple things that we already kind of started testing, and pretty cool stuff. Just everything I do is to make the game a little more faster and a little more historic. Like I said, as much as I love this game, I do not like to play it from 8 a.m. to midnight. So good 8 hours is my favorite. So that's why I try to keep it tailored to. But we do have some new changes to some victory points. We got some new rules for anti-aircraft and carrier capital ships. I mean, some tech tweaks, a couple IPC changes to the game for the territories, and a few border changes in sea zones. You saw that for Tokyo. I think that's really it. Oh, some kamikaze rules. There's like a few little things, but everything is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So good luck to Russia, and guess we will see you the next time when I finally do a drink vid. It's been a long time. I'm gonna have to sit down and do one of those. Oh, also now that I'm finally done with this segment, I can fold these boards up and actually finish the series for making the portable tables. We'll get the finish going, and we'll do the other components that I never did to do for the event. So I got more tables. See, they're sitting right here. So we'll get all these wrapped up. That way that series will be complete. And also got some new dice coming. Not the plastic dice. I've been asked about those. Am I still selling them? No, I am not. I finally changed it on the video. But we do have walnut dice coming. That's right, walnut. Why? Because World War II dice was not made out of plastic. It was wood. So we're going to have some cool looking dice. Going to age them, torch them. They can be pretty badass. So we'll have those coming soon. All right, guys. Well, take care. Again, thank you again for all the support watching this YouTube series. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, I almost pushed the button again. I was so close, but recap. Okay, Kenya, 1 German tank. Sea Zone 80, 1 German transport. Iraq has an artillery. Egypt has 3. Oops, where is it? Egypt has 3 tanks. Sea Zone 96 has 3 transports, plus all Italy stuff. Morocco has 2 tactical and a fighter, plus Italy stuff. Zoom around over here. Romania, 3 infantry, 3 artillery. Bessarabia, 1 infantry, 1 anti-aircraft gun. Western Ukraine, 1 anti-aircraft gun. Going up to Baltic states, 1 infantry. Going over to Germany, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infantry and artillery. Going over to, I guess, Normandy, 1, 2, 3 tanks, 2 infantry, and 1 anti-aircraft gun, which is Italian. Going to Holland, got 1, 2, 3, 4 infantry, 1 anti-aircraft gun. Going to Denmark, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infantry and an anti-aircraft gun. That is Italy. Going to Normandy, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 fighters, 2 tactical, 1 heavy bomber, and 2 tanks. Let's be verified. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 1. London, 3 infantry. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? Seems like I missed something. Let me do a quick zoom out in case I missed something. You can see what it is. But I think I got it all. Dun, 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 dun. Just for kicks, the Morocco, the Italian portion is 1, 2, 3 infantry, 1 artillery, 1 fighter, and 2 tanks. So we actually have, let me see here, we have 2 fighters there and 2 tacticals. Okay, looks good. I think we are good. Alright guys, sorry for the delay. Alright man, take care, bye bye.